Hello, hello, hello. Doing a quick unboxing. Got a package. It is just one thing. I have ordered the LAMY CP1 in Aquamarine. It's their special edition, and I'm just cutting right through in order to hide all my shipping information. I'm just gonna cut right through the top here. Okay, hold on. Okay. Yeah. It was difficult because of the way I cut it. So there's the LAMY CP1 box, and here's the shipping manifest. I'm just checking inside here to make sure I didn't miss anything. I did not miss anything. Sweet. I have a black LAMY CP1 actually from a long time ago, but I wanted to get the current one, or the newest one. Sorry, my parents actually have a LAMY CP1 from a long time ago, and I just wanted the new one. And here's the comic. Psst, pass this to Jenny. Psst. Oh my, this paper is amazing. Proof to GSM and no bleed through at all. Yes, that's how I feel also when I get notes. Anyways, back to the LAMY CP1s. We're gonna pull off the tissue. We didn't have to pull off the tissue because it's just covering a slipcase, which covers a pen. We open it up, and this is the Aquamarine LAMY CP1. Look at this. It's just a sweet little pen. Just a sweet little pen. Cap. And there's the standard LAMY nib. The other one that I have is this pen used to only come in black. This is the first color that I know of that the CP1 comes in. And this is really cool. So much like the LAMY 2000, I actually have one right here. We have a very similar style clip. I really like that. Like, these are very, like, it's almost like it was born of the same family. That's it. That's the LAMY CP1. In the box with the LAMY CP1, you actually get, as per every single pen LAMY sends, you get a blue ink cartridge. But with the CP1, LAMY also sends their cartridge converter. This one is not the 27, not the Z27. I think it's a Z26. Is this one? I don't remember the model name, but it's the black piston, like the black this twisty part, and it doesn't have the plastic little nibs like the ones that you would use on a Safari or a All-Star, which you can use this on the All-Star or Safari as well. It goes in the same. It's like this. It's the same cartridge converter. It just doesn't have those little nibs that that have those little that actuates into the grip section. But that's just install. I'm gonna put some ink in it. Install that, and bam, done. Just like that. And that is the LAMY CP1. Amazing. Amazing little pen. I love it. It's one of my favorite pens. Like I said, my mom was nice enough to give me hers. And it's a black LAMY CP1, and I have it in a safe place. My mom also likes much broader nibs than I do, so I don't use it as much. I could just swap the nib, but I don't know. It feels not the same. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today. As always, be excellent to each other and keyless ally. I'll catch you guys